Pauwi din si Luis. Si Kuya Clark. Bye-bye. Ah?
Ay, sir, pa-attendance na lang.
Kuya Charlie, say hi to you guys. Hi. Next is Lucas. Say hi to Lucas. Hi. Next is to Maxine. Say hi to Maxine.
Lucas!
Put your hands at the back.
Oh, pwede lang sa tabak. Lucas. Hazel. Who's the kitty cat?
Gagawa tayong ice cream. Okay, put your hands at the back.
Come on, Lucas. Bye. Hindi kasi
Yes. We have pinipilo again.
Okay, bago tayo umuwi ay mag-out po muna tayo sa ating mga parents. Ayan, so closing prayer muna tayo dito, kids. Tara muna dito, closing prayer muna tayo.
Lucas, Lucas.
Thank you for your blessing. Thank you for the new friend you will have. Thank you for the lesson and the we are about to learn. Thank you for allowing us to
Naguto. Madami daw nagpa-picture sa kanya sa loob.